Hey everyone! Welcome back to your channel name, where we bring you exciting DIY projects, home decor hacks, and creative crafts that make life more fun and personal. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and meaningful DIY journey, mastering the art of personalized handmade gifts. Want to create gifts that leave a lasting impression? Looking for budget-friendly, heartfelt presents for birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays? Need creative DIY ideas to make your gifts unique? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you 5 amazing handmade gift ideas that anyone can make, how to add personalized touches to make your gifts special, step-by-step guides for each project, and tips to make your gifts look professional and high quality. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video if you love DIY projects. Subscribe for more crafting inspiration. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Now, let's get started and craft some memorable gifts together. Y'all, there's just something so special about a handmade gift. And what better way to show someone you care than with a personalized mug made with love? For this project, you'll need plain ceramic mugs, oil-based paint markers, rubbing alcohol, and cotton balls. Clean your mug with rubbing alcohol to remove any dirt or oils. Use the paint markers to write a sweet message, a special date, or even just the person's name. Add little doodles like flowers, hearts, or stars. Let your design dry completely, usually about 24 hours. Bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Let it cool completely in the oven before taking it out. And there you have it, your very own personalized mug, ready to be filled with love and given to someone special. Let's talk about a gift that's perfect for anyone who's always on the go. Engraved wooden keychains. These little beauties are so charming and surprisingly easy to make. You'll need unfinished wooden keychains, a wood-burning tool, a pencil, fine grit sandpaper, and a keychain ring. Sketch your design lightly onto the wood with a pencil. Carefully trace over your pencil lines with the wood-burning tool. Let the wood cool completely, then use the fine grit sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges. Attach the keychain ring, and voila! You've got yourself a beautiful, personalized keychain that's sure to be treasured for years to come. It's the perfect way to add a touch of rustic charm to any set of keys. Chapter 3. DIY Scented Candles, a jar full of memories. Who doesn't love a good candle? They bring warmth, light, and a touch of magic to any space. But you know what's even better than a store-bought candle? A handmade one. Crafting your own candles allows you to customize scents and create something truly unique. For this project, you'll need soy wax flakes, wicks, heat-safe containers, and fragrance oils. These ingredients are easy to find and work with. Melt the wax using a double boiler or a heat-safe bowl set over a pot of simmering water. This ensures the wax melts evenly and safely. Once the wax is completely melted, carefully pour in your chosen fragrance oils. This is where you can get creative with your favorite scents. Attach your wicks to the bottom of your jars using hot glue or wick stickers. Make sure the wicks are centered for an even burn. Carefully pour the scented wax into your prepared jars, leaving about an inch of space at the top. This allows room for the wax to expand as it cools. As the candles cool, use a toothpick to gently pop any air bubbles. This step ensures a smooth surface. Once the candles are completely cool and hardened, trim the wicks to about 1/4 of an inch. This helps the candle burn evenly and safely. And there you have it, your very own handmade scented candles, ready to fill your home with warmth and beautiful aromas. They also make incredibly thoughtful gifts, perfect for any occasion, especially when you personalize the jars with labels, ribbons, or hand-painted designs. Adding a personal touch makes the gift even more special. It's a gift that's sure to be appreciated long after the candle has burned away. The memories and scents will linger, reminding the recipient of your thoughtfulness. So go ahead, get creative, and start making your own jar full of memories today. Chapter 4. Custom Photo Frame Collage, a walk down memory lane. Some of the best gifts are the ones that evoke cherished memories. They remind us of the moments we hold dear and the people we love. For this project, you'll need a wooden frame, photos, cardstock or decorative paper, and a few other crafting supplies. Basic crafting supplies like scissors, glue, and a ruler will also be essential. Measure the inside of your frame to determine the size of your collage. This step ensures a perfect fit. Cut the cardstock or decorative paper to fit the frame. Precision is key here. Arrange your photos on the paper, playing around with different layouts until you find one you like. This is where your creativity shines. Once you're happy with the arrangement, glue the photos in place and let the glue dry completely. Patience is important here. Add some finishing touches with stickers, washi tape, ribbon, or other embellishments. These details make your collage unique. Carefully place the collage inside the frame and secure it in place. Make sure everything is aligned perfectly. And there you have it. A beautiful and personalized photo frame collage that's sure to bring a smile to someone's face. It's a heartfelt creation. It's a gift that's straight from the heart, showing how much you care. A wonderful way to celebrate the special people in your life. These moments are priceless, and it's sure to be treasured for years to come, a lasting reminder of your love and effort. Chapter 5. DIY Message in a Bottle. Tiny Treasures, Big Love. Sometimes the simplest gifts are the most special. They carry a unique charm that often surpasses more elaborate presents. To create your own message in a bottle, you'll need a small glass bottle, which can be found at most craft stores or online, a small piece of paper, a pen or marker, preferably one that won't smudge, and some decorative elements like twine, ribbon, beads, or tiny seashells to add a personal touch. Write your heartfelt message on the paper. It could be a love note, a quote, or a special memory. Carefully roll it up and tie it with a piece of twine or ribbon to keep it secure. Insert the rolled-up message into the bottle, making sure it fits snugly inside. Decorate your bottle by wrapping twine or ribbon around the neck, adding a rustic or elegant touch, and adding beads, charms, or other embellishments to make it truly unique. And there you have it, a beautiful and unique message in a bottle, ready to be gifted to someone special. It's a gift that's full of charm, whimsy, and heartfelt emotion, perfect for any occasion. A beautiful reminder that sometimes the smallest gestures can have the biggest impact. Perfect for anniversaries, birthdays, or just because. It's a versatile gift that suits any celebration. It's a keepsake that will be treasured forever, a memento of your thoughtfulness. And it's a wonderful way to show someone how much they mean to you, a gesture that speaks volumes. So go ahead, create your own tiny treasure and spread some big love. It's a simple yet profound way to connect with those you care about. And that's it. 5 amazing personalized handmade gifts that will make any occasion special. Which one was your favorite? Comment below. Like this video if you enjoyed these ideas. Subscribe for more DIY tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best gifts are made with love. See you in the next video.